Thanks, Jesse. Kia ora, namaste, welcome to the Asia Downunder kitchen. Today, Jesse and I are going to show you how to make chicken tikka masala.
Did you know chicken tikka masala has actually just recently been declared Britain's national dish?
Yeah, a very popular dish in Britain, a valuable contribution from India. And there are many versions of this recipe, and this is a very simple one.
Let's get started.
We need 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, about 8 cardamoms, 3 cinnamon sticks. When the spices are smoky, add 1 onion finely sliced. And stir. Once the onions are nice and brown, you can add 6 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 5-6 red chilies finely sliced, 1 tablespoon ground paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give this a good stir. You want to take over for a while? All right.
After stirring the spices for about 3 to 4 minutes, you'll notice that they go nice and brown, almost like a paste. Now it's time to put in the tomatoes. Now we have 3 chopped tomatoes. Make sure you stir the tomatoes through constantly for about 3 to 4 minutes.
All right, we are now ready to add the chicken.
Yum.
We have here 800 grams of skinless, boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces.
Stir thoroughly, making sure that the chicken pieces are well coated in the mixture. Once the sauce starts to bubble, lower the heat and cover the chicken and cook till it's almost tender.
All right, now we are ready to add 1 cup of yogurt.
Yum.
If you wish, you may add 1 cup of cream instead, but mind those calories. Give this a stir. All right, we'll cover it once again and cook it until the chicken is tender. All right, here we are with the chicken tikka masala, which has been garnished with fresh coriander leaves. And it's one of many different ways you can cook it.
Today in the recipe we use chicken thighs, but if you prefer you could use chicken breasts or chicken nibbles.
And it's best eaten with plain steamed rice or Indian breads such as chapati or naan bread or even roti. If you need a copy of this recipe, check out the TVNZ website, keyword Asia Downunder, or send us a stamped self-addressed envelope to PO Box 68835, Newton, Auckland. Ka kite ano. See you next time.
Take care.